NTMA. Welcome to NTMA, the smart way to train your workforce. We will work with your employees to ensure that your workforce training requirements are achieved while they learn essential skills online. We will be using over 400 YouTube videos that are skills specific and that we have created solely for this training, and we will use over 300 tooling modules, plus hundreds of other learning videos. NTMA offers one-on-one instructor access through Skype. Plus we engage our students in national manufacturing best practices. NTMA offers articulated college credit. And we follow the Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training guidelines by offering 600 hours of technical-related training. In Semester 1 of NTMA, your apprentice will study Introduction to Machining, Basic Shop Math, and Basic Blueprint Reading. The study will present a foundation for manufacturing methods and processes that are related to equipment and tools of our industry. The course of study will require the apprentice to understand shop safety, blueprints, math, feeds and speeds, layout tools and procedures, hand tools and bench work, metal cutting saws, drilling machines, lathes, milling machines, jig bore and jig grinder, surface grinder, EDM, and abrasives. This first semester course is 100 contact hours and follows the guidelines required by the Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training. And it stresses the relationship of engineering drawing through blueprint reading as related to the manufacture of a working part. This 100-hour Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training compliant course will offer your apprentice a study of Intermediate Machining, Intermediate Applied Shop Math, and Intermediate Blueprint Reading. The course provides skill training in layout techniques and practical shop operations, including calculating bolt hole circles, location of surfaces that are related to non-right-angled triangles, and points of tangency. This course also covers other related applied shop mathematics. Included in that course of study are learning outcomes that are necessary to successfully lay out a drawing by understanding the proper views from an actual part. Then the course continues with a foundation for the study of manufacturing methods as well as processes that are related to machining equipment and tools of our industry that are required for job planning. In Semester 3, the apprentice studies Fundamentals of Computer Applications as applied to machining processes. There is an emphasis on engineering drawing analysis by using trigonometry and other forms of mathematics to determine programming points. They study how to ascertain implied part dimensions and determining machining parameters, calculation of speeds, feeds, and tool offset, as well as establishment of work zero and tool home positions. This is a study of manual programming of CNC machines using standard codes, tooling and setup of CNC lathes and milling machines for machining operations as well as verification of tool paths by simulation. The apprentice will study program upload and download, proper call it, turning tool, milling tool, ID tool and bushing settings and adjustments. They will learn how to step through the program by proof running and first part cutting techniques.
In Semester 4 of NTMA, your apprentice will study CNC operations, shop math, and blueprint reading. This 100 contact hour course is compliant with the Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship and Training. This course will offer CNC machine controls and setup of machining tools. The student will study the process that is required for the programming and operations of CNC equipment and machine limits, as well as CNC maximum tool capabilities. In addition to the basic fundamentals of work planes and fixture offset methods that are used to determine work offset shifts, the apprentice learns why work offset shifts are used. They will learn how to write a CNC milling program using programming codes, and the advantages of using canned cycles in CNC milling, and turning operations. Semester 4 also begins to cover basic geometric dimensioning and tolerancing.
Semesters 5 and 6, the apprentice will round out a total of 3 years of study that exceeds the Federal Bureau of Apprenticeship requirements by completing the balance of the 600 hours of technical-related studies. They are still required to complete a total of 8,000 hours of shop time in their related field that is provided at their employer's company. Semester 5 and 6 will cover advanced training in courses such as, but not restricted to, innovative insert technology, specialty cutting tools, metallurgy, composites, specialty materials, jigs and fixtures, and coolant technology. Upon successful completion of all 600 hours of technical-related studies, the apprentice will qualify for 21 college credits with the University of Akron and journeyman status, and the NTMA is working with local colleges across the United States to secure articulated college credit.